going? Today we're going to go over how to draw candy corn, and we're going to throw a little bit of color into it. That's it. Let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with a curvature right here. Well, pretty much just a straight line. And remember, this is for beginners. We're going to do step by step, and it's really short. It's a generally short lesson, okay? So we have one more or less straight line that way. Right over here as well. And then we're going to go down here, same thing as well. Right on. Over here on the side, I'm going to go here, curve. Curve over here. And curve over here. So we have the simple shape. It's literally just a triangle. Very, very simple, very simple stuff there. Cool, cool. We want a face in here, right? So we want it to be kind of anthropomorphic. So I'm gonna give it the old, like hee hee face, hee hee, you know, I'm corn, that kind of face. So candy corn, sorry. Hee hee. So that's almost as like parentheses or something. Over here. Line over here. And I'm going to go over here and draw a smile right there. Right? So you got this very clear and very obvious face going on. Hit the like, by the way, for what we got so far. So far it's just white, but right now we are going to color it in and give it that candy corn vibe, of course. So, but yeah, definitely hit that like button. It's going to distribute it to more people. Just going to help the channel out. Let's go over here, and I'm actually going to pull this yellow over here. The Copic markers. The reason I use the Copic markers is they don't really smear. They are pricier, but they don't smear, which can change literally your whole drawing. So, take that as you will. I like them. I think this and Prismacolor are the best, but to be honest, I'm liking Copic more, actually. I just think like the square, the shape of this stuff, I think is better to grip, in my opinion. It's but you know, use whatever you want, of course. Gonna go over here and pull a line across. Over here above that, line across there. And that middle part is going to be orange, right? You want to make it orange because that's what, you know, candy corn is made of. By the way, I like candy corn. Can somebody tell me in the comments if you like or dislike it? I really like it. I notice a lot of people hate it. Like, they hate the way it tastes. There's like memes about it, right? I like it. So can you please tell me if you're pro candy corn or not candy corn? Can somebody tell me? Maybe I can get an idea from the comment section. Like, I always thought, like, oh, this tastes really good, and then everybody's just talking smack about it. I'm like, come on, guys. Like, I dig it. But a lot of people don't. A lot of people think it tastes like, what, toothpaste or something. But yeah, just something to, you know, think about. One over here, one over here. Boom, boom, boom. Kind of just filling it in a little bit more right there. Filling it in over here. There you go. Just kind of giving like more or less like a flat representation, because I think that's probably the easiest, you know. Then we're going to go with yellow down here. Just kind of filling that in there. And Halloween is, again, my favorite time. Obviously, you can tell from the channel. I wouldn't dedicate a whole channel to Halloween if I wasn't like super obsessed with it. But I am trying to think of like other tutorials you guys want. So what I want you to do is I want you to you know, after the aggressive candy corn debate, if you have any ideas for a future lesson, just if you type it in there, I'll probably do it. I'm just like that. I think it's relatively easy to do a lot of these, but it's more like it's harder to think about the lesson honestly than to do them, if that makes sense. Because there are a bazillion different ways to draw everything, and that's the cool part about it. It's an evergreen topic, but occasionally I'm like, what's going on? Oh, also, don't forget, buy a sticker if you collect stickers. Like if you have a water bottle, you put it on your computer, anything like that. Selling stickers on sketchingeasy.com, and you don't want to miss out on that, okay? Absolutely go check that out right now, if you can. Or after the video, of course. So what can we add to this guy, right? So we have this candy corn. It's very, very simple in every way. We can possibly thicken the line right here on the outer edges to kind of give it a little bit more of a standing, like a little bit more like a solid feel to it, right? And I always use these markers right here because I just think they're cool. I think they are very effective, and the problem is they smell, these Sharpies. But the other thing I like about them is they're really inexpensive, so kind of take that into account as like price if you guys care about that stuff, because I do. I think it's really important. You don't want to buy stuff that's like really expensive and you never use it. That's why I try to give you the cheapest possible alternatives, you know. I'll keep over here, and I'm going to continue to kind of merge that as well. Over here, and there you go. That is it. I want to thank you very much for joining me. You guys are amazing. Everybody's been super nice, and share the video if you love Halloween, okay? I'm gonna put a lot of cool stuff in the description, so and on the community page as well. I post a lot of memes, like Halloween memes on the community page, so yeah, check that out. There's a lot of benefit to the community page. I think you're missing out on a whole lot if you don't check out the community page on this page. Thank you so much. I will see you later, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Stay spooky.